Okay, so this is our third chapter, data and signals. Okay, so data and signals. So signals can be two types: analog signals and digital signal. Okay, so signal ये two types के होते हैं: analog signals and digital signal. Signal are the electric or electronic या electromagnetic impulse used to encode the transmission data. Is then transmitted through some medium such as cable or airwaves. The receiving node then relieves the conversation, turns waveforms back into the 0 and 1 that represent original data. So जो signals है यहाँ पे ये वेव फॉर्म में रिप्रेजेंट होते हैं और 0 और 1 फॉर्म में ये रिप्रेजेंट होते हैं. ओके, सो यहाँ पे टू टाइप्स ऑफ सिग्नल्स है, जैसे कि एनालॉग सिग्नल्स एंड डिजिटल सिग्नल. यू कैन सी हियर analog, it is a signal. Analog, it is a signal which the signal magnitude varies in a smooth fashion without any break with respect to times as shown in figure. So ये smooth motion में wave signals vary करता है. मतलब analog signal and digital signal in the computer network. Analog signal is a continuous signal. हम लोग इसको continuous signal भी बोलते हैं. Okay, इस analog को we can say continuous signal. Okay, this is called continuous signal. Okay, ये कंटिन्यू फॉर्म में जा रहा है, राइट? सो दैट्स व्हाई इट्स कॉल्ड द कंटिन्यूअस सिग्नल. Okay, so analog and digital signal in computer network. Analog signal is a continuous signal that represent physical measurement, जो कि physical measurement को represent करने में work होता है. And these digital signals are time separated signals which are generated using digital modulation. So आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे ये break हो के carry forward हो रहा है, right? So it uses continuous range of value that help you represent information. So जो ये है, ये एनालॉग है, ये क्या करता है? यूज कंटिन्यूअस रेंज ऑफ वैल्यू दैट हेल्प यू रिप्रेजेंट इंफॉर्मेशन. इट्स हेल्प टू रिप्रेजेंट इंफॉर्मेशन और कंटिन्यू वे में फॉरवर्ड होता है. ओके, कैरी फॉरवर्ड होता है. एंड इन दिस, इन डिजिटल सिग्नल्स यूज डिस्क्रीट 0 and 1 रिप्रेजेंट इंफॉर्मेशन. ये डिस्क्रीट वैल्यू में, दैट इज अ 0 1 रिप्रेजेंट यहाँ पे होता है. ओके, दिस इज द रिप्रेजेंट 0 1. So it is a digital signal. It is a signal in which signal magnitude has been constant level for some period of time. मतलब ये देखो यहाँ तक constant होगा, then फिर change, then that is हम कह सकते हैं 1. okay, then 0, again 1, 0. so 1 and 0 की वैल्यू ये रिप्रेजेंट करता है. मतलब यहाँ पे ये डिसकंटिन्यूस होता है, मतलब कंटिन्यू फॉर्म में वर्क नहीं करता या ट्रेवल नहीं करता. ओके, सो एनालॉग सिग्नल एंड डिजिटल सिग्नल्स. ओके, सो एनालॉग डेटा हियर, अभी आपको समझ में आया होगा. एनालॉग मीन्स continuous form or digital means non-continuous, means discontinuous form. Okay, so it in digital signal, in this figure you can see that what ये कांस्टेंट लेवल फॉर सम पीरियड, मतलब कुछ पीरियड के लिए कांस्टेंट लेवल होता है, देन इट चेंज सडनली टू अनदर कांस्टेंट लेवल. मतलब ये यू कैन से दैट 0 और 1 टाइप ये रिप्रेजेंट करता है. सपोज फर्स्ट 1 पीरियड तक ये वन टाइम को कैरी करेगा, देन इट सडनली चेंज एंड फिर अगेन 0, फिर कैरी, मतलब 0 तक ये सब ट्रैवल करेगा, देन अगेन 1 0 1 0 1 0, राइट? ओके, बट इन दिस इज कंटिन्यू फॉर्म, smoothly continue form होगा. That is about analog and this is about digital. Okay, so यहाँ पे we can say that analog data here, analog and digital data. Okay, so analog data क्या करता है? Analog data is any information that typically represent an analog signals. कोई भी represent information ये typically represent करता है analog signal में. There are many types of analog data. All this data are converted into voltage and current using sensor. The current and voltage can then be converted into visual information using meter. A good example is thermal couple of convert temperature into voltage. Temperature convert into voltage. A meter then convert it back into visual information in degree. Here, temperature is pieces of analog data. The voltage represent temperature is also pieces of analog data. The visual temperature is also pieces of analog data. In most cases, the voltage represents actual analog information is what we refer as analog data. Analog data here, the data are entities which convey meaning or information such as temperature, pressure, and so on. Signals are electric and electromagnetic representation of data. This signals is represent of data that can be two type, analog data and digital data. So analog data is type of data that varies continuously smoothly with respect to time, like voice and video are the best example of analog data. You know, voice and video we smoothly continuously form a response filter. So this is the example of analog data. The other example are temperature, pressure. Okay, then digital signal. So digital data. Digital data is a data that represent other forms of data using specific machine language system that can be interpreted by various technology. The most fundamental of this system is binary system, which simply stores complex audio, video, or text information in the series of binary. Okay, characters, traditionally ones and zero or on off values. One of the biggest strength of digital data is that all sorts of very complex analog input can be represented with the binary system along with smaller microprocessor and large data storage centers. This model of information capture has helped uh, practice like business and government agency to explore new you can say data collection and represent more impressive simultaneous through the digital interface. Means here what, digital data is a type of data that can take a discrete value, that is it is discrete in nature. The example of digital data that text and integers, so जो कि discrete value में express होता है, this is the digital data, the example that is text and integer. And यहाँ पे जिसकी अभी if you want to send message, okay, so you can say it is form like digital data because when you will send the message, okay, so you have to wait for certain period. Whenever receiver will reply, then only you can get the answer. But in case of analog data, if some TV and I'm delivering the lecture here, so I am doing analog, like my data is like analog data because I'm delivering the lecture, it is in audio form, right? But when I will send the message to someone, yeah, to you, yeah, I will send the any example something through WhatsApp or through mail, that this means whenever I text to you, then it will be in the form of digital because it's a certain time periods के लिए we have to wait. Whenever we get data, then we can reply it. Okay, so this is the form of digital example of digital data. Okay, so source of digital signal, the digital signals can be obtained directly from the computer. All the data used by the computer is digital. Okay, जो भी हम कंप्यूटर में डेटा यूज करते हैं वो क्या है, डिजिटल. Okay, then we can also use an A to D converter, that is analog to digital converter, so as convert analog signals into digital signals. Okay, so one of the biggest trend of digital data is that all sort of very complex analog input can represent with binary system. So advantages of digital signals, that is digital signal can process and transmit it more efficiently and than analog signals. It is possible to store the digital data. This is the advantages of digital data. Okay. Then playback of further processing of digital data is possible. The effect of noise, unwanted voltage is a less, so digital data does not get corrupt. It is possible to separate signal and noise and use represent between transmitter and receiver. Use of microprocessor and digital system possible. Okay, so parameter like number of value analog signal ये infinite होती है और digital data ये finite होती है, like 2 8 16. Nature analog का continuous है और digital का discrete है, मतलब non continuous. Parameter of analog and digital parameter sources analog signals में signal generates ट्रांसड्यूसर एंड सो ऑन. एंड डिजिटल में कंप्यूटर्स ए टू एनालॉग टू डिजिटल कन्वर्टर्स. एग्जांपल एनालॉग का हम बोल सकते हैं साइन वेव, राइट? Example, sine wave is the example of analog signal. Okay, you have studied in 12th standard also sine wave, this all, right? एंड इसका एग्जांपल हम बाइनरी सिग्नल बोल सकते हैं. जैसे कि मैंने कहा 0 and 1 सर्टेन पॉइंट के लिए वेट करती है, मतलब लॉन्ग एक टाइम के लिए वेट, पीरियोडिक टाइम के लिए कांस्टेंट होके देन नेक्स्ट टाइम वो मूव करती है, राइट? लाइक 0 and 1 बाइनरी. Okay, so this is about the analog and digital. अब analog and digital में क्या हमने देखा कि analog is continuous form में, like sine wave is the example of analog data, and binary signal is the example of digital signals, right? So analog data का example हुआ audio, video, and here text. Okay, text is the example of here this. Okay, then नंबर ऑफ वैल्यू एनालॉग की सिग्नल की इन्फिनाइट होती है और इसकी फाइनाइट होती है, लाइक 2, 8, 16 एंड सो ऑन. नेचर, इट इज अ कंटिन्यूअस नेचर एंड इट इज डिसकंटिन्यूअस, मींस डिस्क्रीट नेचर. सो यहाँ पे जो सिग्नल, यहाँ पे सिग्नल जनरेट्स होते हैं और यहाँ पे कंप्यूटर एनालॉग टू डिजिटल में कन्वर्ट होता है. यहाँ पे सिग्नल जनरेट होते हैं, यहाँ पे एनालॉग टू डिजिटल में कन्वर्जन होता है. ओके, सो साइन वेव ये एग्जांपल है, बाइनरी सिग्नल ये एग्जांपल है इसका. ओके, नाउ लेट्स सी क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ सिग्नल हियर. सो हम लोग क्लासिफिकेशन देखने वाले सिग्नल ऑफ कंटिन्यूअस. ओके, कंटिन्यूअस और डिस्क्रीट टाइम, दैट इज अ कंटिन्यूअस. Okay, so a signal of continuous amplitude and time is known as continuous time signal. Continuous amplitude and time, मतलब जो continuous time में होगा या amplitude होगा, it's known as a continuous time signal or an analog signal. The signal will have some value at every instance of time. The electrical signals divided in proportion with the physical quantity, such as temperature, pressure, sound are generally continuous signal. मतलब जो continuous way में provide हो, it's called continuous, like sound, pressure, temperature. Then this is a continuous signal. Okay, जो कि example sound. Okay, this is example of continuous signal. Okay, then we can say sound, temperature. Okay, so this is about continuous signal. Okay, then random. Okay, so let's see the random signal. Random signals are those which are not predictable, that is given the past history of signal and amplitude values it has taken on the not, it is not possible to predict what particular value it will be take on the certain instance in the futures, which is not predictable, that is a random signal. Okay, a signal is a periodic signal if the completes of pattern within the measurable time frames called the period of repeats that pattern over the identical subsequent periods. The completion of a full pattern is called as a cycle. A period is defined as the amount of time required to complete full cycle. Signals that carry real information such as speech, music, video do not repeat endlessly. Non-periodic signal means known as a periodic signals. Unlike periodic signals, do not have just one particular frequency. Instead, they are spread out over the continuous range of frequency. So, periodic here, a signal which repeats itself after a fixed time. Periodic signal is also the comes under the random, which is having does not have the fixed time, which can मतलब जिसका time fix नहीं है, that is a random type. Means those which are not periodic table that is given the past history of signal and the amplitude value it has taken on. It's not possible. So periodic here, periodic, okay. So periodic and non-periodic here, and non-periodic. Okay, some period time में हो जो और जो non-periodic. Okay, so a signal which repeat itself after fixed time, the fixed time period is called as a periodic. So a signal which represent, okay, just 1 minute. Okay, a signal which is represent itself, okay, जो खुद से represent होती है after fixed time, after a fixed time, after a fixed time period is called periodic signal. Okay, जो सिग्नल जो सिग्नल खुद से आफ्टर सम टाइम मतलब जो सिग्नल which represent itself after fixed time period is called the periodic signal. and here a signal which does not repeat itself. Oh, 1 minute. Which does not repeat. So it's very easy, right? Just 1 minute. A signal, okay, which is does not represent. You can say, yeah, you have to say here repeat, okay. Itself after a signal which does not repeat itself after a fixed time, is called, okay, is called non-periodic signal. Okay, so जो सिग्नल खुद से, you can say here represent की जगह you can write here okay. Okay, जो सिग्नल खुद से repeats होते yeah, you can say a signal which repeats itself, it's called a periodic signal after some time, and the signal which not repeat itself it's called non-periodic signal. Okay, इससे ये सब क्लासिफिकेशन है किसका, सिग्नल्स का. ओके, दिस पीरियोडिक, नॉन पीरियोडिक, रैंडम, देन व्हाट वी हैव सीन कंटिन्यूअस सिग्नल्स लाइक साउंड, टेम्परेचर, दिस ऑल. ओके, so okay, so the periodic is periodic of a signal, the periodic of a signal can be defined mathematical. Okay, so periodic signal ये mathematical expression में define होते हैं, और periodic can be defined mathematical. Okay, can be. So this formula you have to understand, or you have to decide this formula. Okay, can be defined in mathematical way. Mathematical ways like x of t. Okay, the formula of the defining of periodic signal. Okay, x of t equal to x then t plus raised to 0. Okay, So condition of periodic that's where t zero is t base 0 is what? This 1 minute. Where t base 0 is where t base 0 is called as period of signal. Okay, इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Period of signal. Okay, period of signal. Okay, so t0 is defined as period of signal, and x of t is nothing but is called, in other words, you can say, uh, first of all, t0 is called as a period of signal. X of t, in another word, signal x repeat itself after a period, so it's called a signal which is repeat itself. Okay, where we are signal which repeats itself after a fixed time. Okay, so this is your so this is a x of t. Okay, then okay, and t0 is second. So example of periodic signals are sine wave, cosine wave, square. Okay, so x of t repeats itself after a period. T0 is a second. Okay, so example of this, example of periodic signals, that is sine wave, sine wave. Okay, then sine wave, cosine. This is part of your trigonometry which you have learned. You have been learned in your 12th standard, right? In physics also. So this is the example of sine wave, cosine wave. Then okay, sine wave, cosine wave, where you can, मतलब आपने इस example ये formula से आपने deal किया होगा, मतलब study किया होगा, right? So here the example is direct sine wave, then cosine wave, square wave, and so on. Show a sine wave which is periodic because it repeats itself after a period time. Okay, so what about non-periodic here? Okay, what about the non-periodic here? Okay, so a signal which does not repeat itself after a fixed time period, does not repeat at all, is called as non-periodic, or we can say aperiodic. Okay, a signal. The non-periodic signal do not satisfy the condition of periodicity state equation. The non-periodic non-periodic signals, non-periodic signals. Non-periodic signal is indicate like x of. This is a formula of non-periodic. Okay, x of t. Not equal to, okay, x of t not equal to x of t plus t base to 0. Okay, base to 0. Okay, so this is a base of 0. So this is a formula of non-periodic, and in periodic we have seen that is a, see, this is a formula of periodic x of t, which is x equal to uh, t of x of t plus t0, and here x of t is not equal to x of t. Okay. X plus t of t of 0. Yeah, t base 0, sorry, t base 0. So here periodic, that is a x of t is equal to x of t plus small t plus t base 0, and here non periodic signal x of t is not equal to x of t plus t base 0, right? So for non-periodic, this is the equation. Sometime it is said that aperiodic a signal has a period, that is t of 0 is equal to infinite, right? So so this is about your non-periodic and periodic signal. So I already said that about periodic and non-periodic, that in periodic and non-periodic, a signal is a periodic signal if complete pattern within a measurable time frame called periodic, and repeat that pattern over identical subsequent periods. The complete of full pattern is called as a cycle. So that is about the periodic periods. A completion of full pattern is called a cycle. Okay. Okay, leave then signal propagation here. So signal propagation propagation. Okay. So the signal containing the data information is in the electric form, which the signals containing information in the electric form, it is applied at point of conducting the medium. The electrons in the conducting medium will transfer the charge of to the adjacent electrons, and signals point gets transfer A gets transferred to B and C, and then C, which is the receive point. A gets transferred to B and then C, which is get receive point. The shape of signal at the receiver point C is almost same as the source point A, but the signal reach point C after finite delay called propagation. So non-periodic, periodic signals, then propagation of these. Okay, signal propagation. Okay, signal propagation. Propagation of signal is a complex network environment. To model network. Dynamic, we use two layer description. The first layer is a topology, you know, where captured by the weight network. The dynamic behavioral system can be captured through its pattern of information or signal propagation. So the signal propagation is a network similar to that. You can say that like networks described in section for each object, each unit in the input. So so this is about signal propagation having propagation delay. So signal propagation similar that the like network describe the section for each object, each unit in the input layer. Okay. So variable of the X matrix and each unit in the output layer is intended to provide one variable of the Y table. So a signal producing source can be a person talking on the phone, or computer producing data signal, or video camera producing a video signal. If apply a signal at the one end of the conducting medium, then eventually this signal gets propagated to the other end of medium with the some time delay. So analog signals, we can classify analog signal as like signal analog signals, simple analog signals, and composite analog signal. Under the simple analog signal, sine wave and cosine wave comes, and under the composite and analog signals, square, triangular, then pulses, any complex shapes are under came. Okay, so this point we will see in next lecture. So today we have covered like what is analog and digital, the data and signals. Okay, so digital, what is digital? Analog signal, digital signal, analog data and digital data. Then we classify it and we express this formula. Okay, then signal propagation. Okay, then we will see in next section, we will see the different analog signals categories. We classify the analog signals like with simple analog signals and composite analog signal. Under the simple analog, we will see sine wave, cosine wave, and under the composite analog signal, we're going to see square, triangular, ram, then and then pulses, then any complex shapes. Okay, so this will be seen in my next lecture. So today's lecture over here. Thank you.